we're making basic ass chicken soup because I was sick. We're off to the races. Boom. So oil, chicken, salt and pepper. And then I'm going to put some APs in there. All those Haitians know what that is. Shout out to y'all. It's like a Caribbean seasoning, like a green seasoning equivalent sort of thing. And then some onions to sweat the chicken down and cook in the flavor because we don't want this to be flavorless at all. Add in the water, which is going to basically be like the base for our soup. I used like chicken stock and water, and then bring that to a boil. Here's all my fresh vegetables that I'm going to put in my soup. You use whatever you like. I added in some yuca or cassava and carrots because they take the longest to cook, and the Scotch bonnet, and I'll cut that open because I want it spicy. That's chicken seasoning, garlic, allspice, and then I'm going to use the cock soup. But I strain out the noodles because I don't want that sticking to the bottom of the pot and making the soup OD thick, and it's just not my thing. Then I'm going to add in campanelli pasta. Those do not get all disintegrated like the little stupid ones look and get. Anyway, moving on. I'm going to boil it until the vegetables are soft and tender. I don't want everything falling apart. The chicken is soft but still intact. Soup is flavorful. It's summertime and I know it's not the time for this. This is definitely a draft post. But come back when you need this, or make it now, because honestly, when is soup really, really not the move? If you don't like soup,